Hello, creative people. How are you? I hope you are good. Okay. Well, I'm here with another video, and if anyone is following my video from the start to like up to now, then obviously you know that I am creating a series of video where you can learn how to become a logo designer. Okay, so on last video I tried to like sketch a logo for a fictional client, and on today's video I'm going to digitalize it. Okay, so and I'm going to show you how I like what I ended up and what I came up with when I sketch. Okay, on last video I gave you whatever I show you some kind of rough sketch. Okay, it was not like clear sketch, but I try to come out with a bunch of ideas and try to like accumulate all these kind of related pictorial forms. Okay, well on today's video I'm going to show you that what actually like skills, okay, final skills, okay, and then how we can digitalize that skills in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so for the logo designer there are lots of other software also, but I prefer Adobe Illustration because it's a vector based, and we can play with lots of idea, and Adobe Illustrator is industry standard, and it has lots of feature. Okay, and it is good handy tools for logo designing. Okay, but it's not like the what do you call the one tools. Okay, if you are comfortable with any other software, obviously you can create any kind of logo in any platform. Okay, there is no any specific rules that you need to follow this particular rule tools or not. Okay, well, without further ado, let's get it started. Okay, so first I will show you the sketch and then I will digitalize it. Maybe digitalization process can be a little bit lengthy. That's why I can make it a little bit speed up. Okay, so a video can be a little bit speed, but initially I will show you in slow version, and then to give a little bit finalized version that I maybe can speed up. So I hope you will understand. If you have any kind of issue, or if you want any support from my side, okay, then obviously you can comment, and you can send me an email as well, or you can get in touch with any other social media also. Well, let's start. Well, okay, this is it. Yeah, this is how I ended up with. Okay, so I'm trying to mm, use like second home pet here, like two for the second, and on the base of two that I'm trying to create a home, and with like this dog's outlined shape. Okay, well, let's see. I don't know whether how it will go. So basically, if you are a good, what do you call, sketch artist, and if you can like drawing very good, what do you call, logo style, logo pattern, or anything, if you have a good artist, then what you can do is you can simply bring your logo in what do you call Adobe Illustrator, and you can lock it. Okay, so for lock I already locked by pressing Control 2. So here layer and click on lock, you can lock it, and then you can simply use a pen tool. Okay, and then what you can do is you can simply trace it. Okay, so for the cop, okay, I just use a different, okay, and I will change color also. For the color, I will do this, okay. So, and later also we can switch it, okay. But there a little bit, what I call, slightly few things need to change. So, current right now, what I do is I will yeah, click there, and there, where here, let's click, okay, and there, okay. First, I'm making a complete two, okay, and then let's see what will happen. So like this way, you can. I'm showing you how you can trace if you are really good. sketch artist. Okay, no need to like drag or anything currently right now. So later we can switch it. Okay, so yeah, and this is it. Okay, so and yep, this is it. Okay, so this is basically what you can do. No, what I do is I will close it here. Okay, later I will play it. So now what you can do is you can change. See, Adobe Illustrator has lots of feature. Okay, see, this is a very easy. You don't have to like. Okay, this way you can play with it. It's very easy. No need to worry about anything. As I told you that Adobe Illustrator has lots of feature. Okay, so well, yeah, this is it for basically, and we can like cut out from here and we can fill it. Simple. It's very easy in Illustrator to trace something like already there is a kind of sense. You can see the dog shape and the two and a kind of home, isn't it? So it's obviously not a perfect. Okay, so let's delete this one also. And what I do is I will do this. See, simple. It looks like everything is there. Okay, okay, and yeah, obviously it's not the logo till, and we need to make it finished version, but still you can see there is a simple what I call mark with dog and a simple home, but obviously we need to play along, and yeah, this is how we can trace it. Okay. Okay, but yeah, as I told you, this is not final version or anything. So I will show you some other version also how you can trace. Okay, let's say this is the one. So first you can create your what do you call it, sketch, and you can trace out. And next is what you can do is, for example, for me, so my I will take same sample. Okay, same. So there is a dog outline version, there is a two, and there is a home, right? So what I can do is let's search for the dog. Okay. So as I mentioned that I like German Shepherd, so let's go with the German Shepherd. Okay, German Shepherd dogs. Okay, there are lots of dogs. Yeah, pretty happy. Wow, lovely. That's so cool. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. See how lovely, so cute, isn't it? Look at that. Okay, I don't have to distract. Okay, I don't haven't. Oh my God, so cute. Okay, anyway, yeah, I have to stick to my plan. My plan is to show you how you can trace it. Okay, well, hmm, wait. This, let's take this. Okay, so what I do is I will copy, okay, and I will paste it here. First, what I do is I will lock this image. Okay, so as I told you, Control 2 from keyboard or simply from the layer panel, you can lock it like this way. Okay, so what I will just create one outline version. Okay, so again, same. I'm taking a pen. Okay, and let's do something. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Uh, let's break here and then 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 let's lock it here. Now select another, or you can press Shift C also. Okay. Oh, lovely. I just need an outlined version of that dog. I don't need to show the exact what you call dog shape. Just I need a kind of resemblance that if someone see, like, they can like just identify, oh, yes, it is actually a dog like this way. So I don't have to worry and I don't have to be very precise. I just need to make my logo balanced and it looks good. Okay, let's outline the color, any color right now. Currently, let's go with the black. Yeah, this is it. Okay, so see, this is the outline version of logo, and I will unlock this dog picture and I will hide. Okay, I will keep it here and I will play with one letter two. So I will type two and yeah, any two, okay. But what I need is I need a little bit bold. So first I will create outline, okay. Here I am trying to show you, if let's say if you have a good experience in Illustrator, then obviously you don't have to worry. You already know and just you need to sketch. But if you are a beginner, that then obviously you can follow. Say create an outline, okay. Or you can press Control Shift, okay, so that you can play a lot, okay. So see, I'm creating an outline means I'm making a shape. Now I can edit. I cannot edit yet. So for example, if it is on a type tool, I'm just doing Control Z. Let's say if it is, let me show you the word like outline version and not outline version. Okay. Now both are not outline. Okay. So I will make one outline. Okay, and I will keep one same. So if I need to change from two to three, I can change it. But for the outline version, I cannot change. Now it's a shape. Okay. Here it is three alphabetical, what do you call, sorry, numbers. Okay. And I can type instead of three, I can type anything or I can create a whole sentence. Okay. Right. I can write a whole sentence. Okay. But here in this shape, now I cannot make it like three or I cannot type. But with the help of this anchor key, okay, anchor point, I can do whatever I want. Now it was before it was two. Now let's say it is like some kind of helmet, the warrior helmet, like knight's helmet, or maybe this is trying to like it the. Oh, I'm so sorry. No. Anyway, yeah, it's look like a mouth also. It's like a helmet also. Anything. No, you can we can play it, okay? So yeah, now it's look like a laughing, what do you call it? Anything, okay? It's in a simple way, it can be a logo, isn't it? Simple, just to finish. Anything can be logo. It's just that you need to add your storytelling power to like what do you call it? Believe them that you created something amazing. Like logo designing is nothing else. Just you need to create something that mark is what you called very simple, okay, memorable, easy to like resize and easy to use in multiple devices. And obviously there should be some kind of icon, but it should be very easily identified. Okay, for example, here I what I like this only this particular shape is here. It's like something here, the what do you call it? It's giving me a negative space. Okay, let's look like, okay, let me add something here. Okay, I'll choose pencil. Where it is, where pencil. Okay, no, I'll choose brush so that I can make it. Uh, no, no, what? Let me make something. It look like some worm. Okay, like something is very has a tall tail. Sorry, not tall tail. Okay, something I'm seeing some living beings here. Okay, on this particular part. Okay, oh no, I don't have to. Okay, so on this particular session, I'm seeing any uh, worm. Okay, oh no. Yeah. See, now it's like, yeah, something is opening the mouth and like there is a one movie Venom. Yeah. You can see, and we can give some kind of teeth here. Anything. It's just that it's your creativity, how you want to play with the simple shape, or I can, okay. I don't have to do, I need a clean to. Why I outline is I want to make it a little bit bold. So I will do offset path. So how we can do is offset path simply object, path, and offset path. Offset means adding a more layer. So I will take a big, okay, and I will switch it, like I will flip it. So properties, here there is a flip icon. So I will simply flip, and as I mentioned, I don't want my dog to be look down. What I want to do is I want to make it a little bit up. So now this shape is looking weird kind of thing. So what I do, I will make this kind of shape. Okay. So yeah, now dog is not looking down. I don't know why it's looking different. The shape should be a little bit up. Okay. Anyway, well, let's see. Let's look into it. I'll change it to white, and what I do is I'll bring it front, and I will try to play with it. Okay. See, see. You can see, right? You can see, right? Right? Am I right? You can see. Let me make it a little big. Okay. So yeah, this much big. What I do is I will a little bit from this part. Okay. Let just say I'm just playing with it only. Okay. Oh, nice. Isn't it? It's looking good. So now let's play with a simple shape of home. Okay. So what was the home shape? So this there should be like a little bit here. From here, I will choose the pen tool and click here, and I will make one small shape here. Okay. So it can be a little bit like 3D kind of looks also. So I will give it a fade color here, but I'll choose a little bit dark. Okay, so yeah, it's look like a 3D. Okay, so if you want to add some kind of 3D again here from here, okay, see like this way you can add. And let me end it up with here, and I will make it go to back. Okay, so this portion is a little bit big, so I will do this much. Okay, and I will decrease this. Ah, nice. So it is giving a kind of depth of field for me. Okay, here what I do is I will do something a little bit down. This much. No, this is good. No, okay, so I will do this much, I think. Okay, this much. But what I do? Oh, no. Here I will press Alt from the keyboard, and I will do this. Okay, that is nice. In here, what I do is, let's say it's a modern house. Okay, so let's say what I do is I will choose one rectangle shape, and I will select these two corner, and there is a corner radius. Okay, so I will make it this way, and I will try to put it okay. I will try to. There is one perspective tool. So where it is? Is it? No, this not. There is another. Okay, where is perspective tools? Anyway, leave it. I'm not. Okay, so what I do is I will use my pen tool, pen power. Okay, and what I do, I'll just make it something like that, and simply, oh, I need to sorry. Okay, I'll do something here. No, a little bit down. Yeah, and I will. What I do is I will use a builder and subtract it. See, finish. So yeah, this is not the final logo, and this is not the exact of, or a final version of logo. It's just that I'm giving an idea that how you can play with the logo or an Illustrator and to create some kind of icon. I know it's terrible, okay? Not that much terrible. Come on, it's giving a kind of sense how we can incorporate, how we can create a kind of simple icon even with very basic thing, okay, basic picture. And let's keep it here aside, okay. This is too much dark. What I do is I will use some same color here, okay, but for the back I will add for this also, I need to give a little bit depth of field. That's why I choose a little bit dark from that side. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. Okay, now it's time to select a typography. So let's say our company name is SECOND. So second, no, second home, day, no, second home pet here. Okay. So what I do, I will keep this and I will play with some kind of. We need to make a little bit yes, this. But the logo is very bold, right? The font is very thin. It's not good. No. The later format is a little bit good, but both should be aligned together. So if, for example, instead of this bold logo, if I ungroup and if I use this small shape of this and if I use this kind of, and then it can be useful for that. But the this is very big and bold. Same way, likewise, we need to select a similar kind of typography. Okay, yeah, yeah, it's good. Oh, nice. I like it. I like it. Okay. Let's make it let's make it capitalized. Okay. All caps. So let's see how it looks like. Okay. Whether it will be readable or not in a good way. Second home. No. And what if I kept enter? No, 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 no. This is not looking good. Okay. So for a simple, oh, now what I can do is, yes. And next one is pet here, right? This is how I can play. See? Yes. Okay. So for one logo, okay, okay. For one company, let's say for simple organization, it's good. Okay. Obviously, it's not the final version, and whenever you are working with the real client, so you should not what do you call stop within this. Okay, you need to explore more, you need to experiment with bunch of lots of idea. Okay, I'm here working with fictional client, that is why I'm not investing. Okay, I'm not giving that much seriousness here, I'm just giving an idea. Okay, I'm so sorry. So this is the one idea to put logo, and another idea is we can create a vertical. So like this way, for example, let's say I will use it is selection. Okay, so this way, and what we can do, see, this is also one another way to put like vertical and horizontal version. But let me tell you, so where we have a logo, what do you called, principle: simplicity, memorable, versatile, and timeless. Okay, so this this shape is giving me a kind of what to say, like I'm not happy with it because, for example, obviously it's not the final, but it's still. So, for example, if we make it small, okay, and see this gap already is like hidden. Let's make it. Let's put 100 here. So most of the page we can see 100. Okay, this is the way that you can test your logo. Okay, let's keep it. Sometimes what happen is, let's say 16 by 16 pixel by 16 pixel. Okay, pixel. So this is the small size of logo that sometimes you need to make. Okay, if your logo is perfectly visible on that format. Okay, so yeah, it will be small. Okay, okay. Now, see, this is the smallest version. And if I put here 110 or 100, okay, and still the logo is pretty much visible, and it is easy to, what do you call, identify what it is, then your logo is perfect. Oh, I'm so sorry here. I pressed 0.25. Okay. So if your logo is not visible, you can't read and you can understand. Okay, you are creating, that's why you can read and you can understand the same. But if you ask with some other fellow who is not able to like see your entire process, then obviously whether they can identify or not, you can ask them, you can experiment with them. Okay, and then if they identify it, then you are lucky. Okay, obviously you need to incorporate the ideas so that you can make it a little bit unique symbols. Okay, here it's not that much unique, but it's giving me a kind of good vibes. And if I invest much more time, and if I try to finalize, if I try to make it a little bit finishing touch, okay, so then obviously we can come up with a good result. But here I'm just giving an idea how you can make it digitalized version of your sketched logo. See, so basically, this is the idea. So first, try to sketch some of the things, okay, and then try to like outline. Okay, if you are a good sketch artist, then obviously you can outline like this way, okay. And if you are not good artist, and what you can do is you can play with bunch of what you call like this way. You can bring your photos or inspiration ideas, and then try to draw some outline and play with these elements and come up with really good design. Okay, well, this is it, and I hope you liked it. Okay, so it is just for a fictional client, and it is for educational purpose. There might be like some errors or some kind of miss. Uh, Anything can be there, might be. Okay, if you notice, okay, this might be this way, this might be this way, or anything. If you want to like say anything, I'll be happy to hear from you. And see you on the next video. Okay, and I hope you're doing good. Okay, and I hope you are practicing it. And beside all those things, just I'm trying to share my experience and my what you call knowledge over the internet, and trying to put one small steps in this creative industry. That's all. Okay. So, well, bye for this video and see you on a next video. Bye bye.